Kuma deals, we got a MACK 613 here, CXU613. It's got 491,000 miles on it, MP8 MACK motor in it. Got an Eaton Power 10 speed behind it. It's got decent tread. Gonna give you a quick little walk around video here, let you see it. Got the MP8 485C model. It's got a little residual smoke, but no puffing blow-by, which means it's not just coming out like a chimney and trying to blow the cap off. So it's not terrible. Got a little bit of, I don't know, erosion or something down there. Got good tread in the rear. I call that 60, 70, 80% there. Sliding fifth wheel hitch. Call this side 80, 90. Call this one 60. Got aluminum wheels on it all around. Motor runs well. Go ahead and jump in the cab here. Now this one does not have the 10 speed. Excuse me, make a note of this. MACK 15 speed Eaton Fuller. It's showing here. It's got a 15 speed. 491 on the miles. Horns work, blinkers work, air horn works. Seat looks good. No air ride on it though. Just a normal seat, no air ride. It's got a wet kit in the back, ladies and gentlemen. It's got a wet kit in the back, fully set up. Got a fan on that side also, just to run that wet kit. Running good, boys. All right, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get you a quick little operations video here. Move on to the next truck. All right, boys, check it out. CXU613, 491 on the miles, and it's got the wet kit. As you can hear, ladies and gentlemen, this truck runs well, works well, drives forward, drives back. It's got the good 15 speed in it, boys, and the wet kit. Can't get better than that. 491 on the miles, CXU613. It's located here in Dallas, Texas. If you're interested, give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. Thank you very much. See you in the sale or buy it online. Thank you very much. Moving on to the next truck.